which is located where, Andy? So that's right. Go.
Is it blinking?
Just dig in, Desiree. Go ahead.
No! I'm not gonna dig in.
Well, you were earlier.
No, you wasn't.
Yeah, you were.
There she goes again.
Grab it. Grasp it, Andy.
Crash that shit.
I meant the phone.
Andy, the phone's not on that side. Please don't.
Look at it. Look at his pants now.
Wait, that wasn't your phone. Oh man. How awkward would that be for you? I think I'm just gonna try to get one.
Dude, I think she's like really pissed because she seriously hasn't replied.
And she hasn't replied it. That's
And she
right
hasn't said
there.
anything to anyone.
Are you sure it hasn't blinked?
Oh damn, you're recording. That kind of killed the whole video. Not really. She's gonna be so pissed by the time she sees this.
Andy, seriously, like, take it out and look at it.
No, you want
No, just look at it.
me to drop all the cans.
Oh.